The following is the match preview Serie A Week 15 between Juventus versus Napoli at the Allianz Stadium. Prediction lineup Juventus. Prediction lineup Napoli. Last 3 matches of Juventus. Juventus got 2 wins and 1 draw. Last 3 matches of Napoli. Napoli got 1 win and 2 losses. The player to watch of both teams: Dusan Vlahovic versus Victor Osimhen. The head-to-head of both teams. In my prediction, Juventus 2 and Napoli 1. What about your prediction? Write your prediction in the below.